To fix that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Your Name and head over to iCloud. Here you'll see the used iCloud storage space. If it says 5 GB of 5 GB used, your free iCloud storage is full and there's no space for syncing new data. If you wish to sign up for iCloud Plus, tap on the upgrade option. Finally, to view or delete the existing data, tap on Manage Account Storage. Here you'll see a list of apps using iCloud storage space on your iPhone. You can tap on the app and hit the Delete Data from iCloud option to free up the space. Moving on, if there's a mismatch between your iPhone's date and time and the Apple server's date and time, you may get an iCloud syncing paused status message on your iPhone. To fix it, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General and head over to Date and Time. Now, turn on the Set Automatically toggle. If this was the case, then this fix will definitely solve your iCloud sync issues. Lastly, if your iPhone is on low power mode, then there are high chances you will be seeing this error. To fix it, swipe down from the top right corner to reveal the control center. Now disable the low power mode icon from here by tapping on it. The color of the battery level icon should go from yellow to white. This should fix the syncing issue.